We are looking at how to pronounce this sound from the International Phonetic Alphabet. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more sounds and what are the symbols in the IPA as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. This is a very common sound in English and it represents the sound oo, oo. Some examples of words in English using this sound include to, you, who, just to name a few. Also crew, into, do, many more. So this is the sound oo. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more sounds from the IPA and some interesting words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.